Hi, this is a how-to video for signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. Upload and edit a document even if your internet connection is temporarily lost. Your document will display in your dashboard and will be synced with the signNow server as soon as you're back online. To sign a document in offline mode, just add your signature as usual. It will appear in the document and will be saved and updated once you are reconnected to the internet. What's that? You've heard enough? Skip ahead and try signNow for free. Just click the link in the description now. Need more features? signNow makes it easy to approve and send documents for signature. Plus, monitor your document's progress in real time, add e-signature workflows to your custom apps or website, and easily integrate with the services you're already using. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments, or, if you're too lazy to type, just click the link in the description and hurry up to get your free 7-day trial that you can cancel anytime.